Welcome to this section. In this section, we are learning how to use the law of attraction to extract or to attract exactly what we want. Unlike the signals that are created with man made instruments, signals emanating from your mind have no limit. Your dominant thoughts reach beyond your city or country. With your thoughts, you are able to communicate directly with the universe and all that is within it. So, in law of attraction, it is your dominant thoughts which play a dominant role in creating anything. And with your thoughts, you are reshaping your destiny and final outcome of all your hard work. The law of attraction is much more powerful than methods or techniques for getting wealthy. The law of attraction defines the horizon so that the second step, determination, can be carried out effortlessly. The law of attraction is not wishful thinking. It is not just positive thinking. Alone thinking will not give you the things you want. There must be an accompanying energy, action, that is called the determination. People generally say it is the positive thinking that brings the changes. Alone thinking will not bring any change. My dear folks, I am telling you, you might have read many self-help books. Just thinking, positive thinking will alone not help you. You need to have an energy accompanying it, which is known as determination. Determination in life itself is the combination of time, energy, and action. Without determination, there will be status, emptiness, and resulting in nothing. So, my dear folks, please use your energies to change your life. There would be nothing to achieve and nothing to attain without determination. There will be emptiness through and through. Many people choose not to follow through the process of determination, which is why manifesting wealth and health becomes impossible. Even the law of gravity requires determination before it can do something for you. Before it can pull a pen to the ground, you must first consciously drop it to the ground. If you don't drop it, the law of gravity cannot pull the pen from a table to its ground. It is impossible. It needs some kind of determination. You need to drop the pen, then only it can be pulled by the gravity. So, do you see the required action before this invisible force can act upon your own actions? The simple principle applies to the law of attraction as well. How you have to consciously drop it in order to get attracted by the law of gravity. Similarly, you need to put a conscious effort to get it attracted through the law of attraction, and you attract to exactly what you want and you need. That's the simple principle that applies to the law of attraction. Stay tuned. We'll catch you in the next section.